There is the most incredible link between Brooklands and the whole of British and indeed international motorsport. Right here on Brooklands, 1906, Hugh Lock King had a bet over dinner, one he probably regretted because it cost him a fair chunk of his fortune, that he was going to build the world's first purpose-built banked racetrack. The following year, 1907, Brooklands racetrack opened, and it was the first in the world, and everybody came here, not just from all over the UK, from all over Europe. And it was the racing drivers and the chassis manufacturers and the tyre manufacturers and the engine manufacturers. The expertise was all here. 10, 15 years later, end of the First World War, it was also Britain's largest aircraft manufacturing plant. So it also had all the aero engine manufacturers and the lightweight structures for aeroplanes and all of the design and testing expertise, including, critically, wind tunnel testing. And it was here in the archives in Brooklands many years later that the first evidence of land speed record cars going into wind tunnels was found, with some of Malcolm Campbell's designs. All of that meant that we finished up with all of this expertise in what we would now call the world's first aerospace and motorsport technology park. And it created a global centre of expertise here at Brooklands. And for the next, well, pretty much for the next 100 years, the Brits dominated the world land speed record, almost unbroken. Equally, they dominated all forms of track racing. And if you want any evidence that's still true today, Formula One is still based in the UK almost exclusively. All the world's best race car engineers operate out of the Vale of Oxford and work for the Formula One teams, and you can trace that heritage all the way back to this place in Brooklands. If you want to build a car that's faster than any other, either going round in circles or particularly going fast in a straight line, you are using the expertise in this country, which is second to none, world class. And the reason for that is because of Brooklands, because of the track in 1907, the aerospace expertise that was added into it. There is a very clear link, and everything about the land speed record you can trace back to the marvellous, unique opportunity that Brooklands presented us by being here.